I have some of this balsamic reduction, which I love using. So I'm just gonna squirt a little bit. I have my tortellini, which is cooked, and I'm gonna put that on a skewer. And then I have marinated mozzarella. We're gonna put a second tortellini on and another marinated mozzarella. Now I'm just gonna take a couple leaves of basil, and then I have these really nice cherry tomatoes from my garden. I'm gonna add that on there. We're gonna have our fresh mozzarella, and a couple nice leaves of basil, and a tomato. Okay, so this first part is done, and that was super fast. 2 handfuls of basil, a couple cloves of garlic that I minced, a half a cup of shredded Parmesan. Okay, I'm gonna pulse this for a couple minutes. So with this running, I'm gonna drizzle in a half a cup of olive oil. All right, I'm gonna check that out. Okay, look at that, guys. Okay. In 1 minute, we just made a nut-free pesto. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do next is with that beautiful pesto, I just like to drizzle this on top of our appetizer. All right, so then what I like to do is just take my skewer, just go straight down into it. How cool is that? All right, guys, look at that. How pretty are these? And it came together in just minutes. I hope you make these tortellini skewers for an appetizer.